Hey everybody, this is Will at Appspace, and I'm here at InfoComm 2026, and I want to highlight one of my favorite integrations of all the integrations that we have as part of the Appspace Workplace Experience platform, and that's our native integration with Microsoft Teams Rooms. So here we have an MTR device, right? In this case, it's from our partner, Logitech, but this would work for any device running in native Microsoft Teams Rooms mode, MTR mode, right? Doesn't matter if it's Windows or Android, this is a full MTR. But what's happening is it's on idle right now. There's no meeting happening, no one's doing a screen share. So we're able to turn that device into a true communication hub, right? It's not just the MTR background, it's not just a black screen. You can deliver corporate messaging, you can deliver HR updates, you can deliver operational updates, or maybe even just room instructions, right? A tip on how to get your meeting started and who to contact if something goes wrong, and that's immensely powerful. You're leveraging those screens, you're leveraging the MTR device for way more than even what it does already. And just to prove it to you, right, we're on idle, there's the MTR details. If I tap to wake up this MTR, there it is. I can tap, I can join my meeting, and once I finish, it's going to time out and load that content right back up. And now you can't see it from here as well, but I will mention we have the same integration with Zoom Rooms. So if you have a device in native Zoom Room mode, we can also turn that display into a communication hub. And all that's handled in their respective admin consoles, right? In MTR land, that's the Pro Management Portal, or the Zoom Admin Console. It's as easy as flipping a switch in those management platforms. All the rest of the configuration is handled automatically, and you're good to go. You can start publishing content when and where it needs to be. Now, if you're going to learn more about these integrations, or all the rest that we do with digital signage and employee communications, you can check out our website at www.appspace.com.